Welcome to another Canadian Security Professionals video tutorial. Today we are going to show you how to change your batteries on your 2 gig secondary keypad. At the top there will be 2 tabs that you have to push in simultaneously for the panel to come off the bracket. Once it is off, you will see the battery cradle to the bottom side of the keypad. You can pop these batteries out and replace them with the new ones. Once completed, just put the bottom of the keypad into the bracket first and swing the top in to lock into place.